Hello. And today I feel like playing, as you can see, Super Mario 64. I cannot guarantee that I'll be any good at it, but I'll at least try.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I invite the people here. You're
While I wait for this thing to load, I will literally look at Reddit. Finally. I'm gonna try a long jump and what's that? Oh no! What the? I can run up a wall there? I didn't even know that. How is that a thing? Last time I tried this fight, he threw me off the edge, and I had to start over. Oh no! I always have a hard time just grabbing him. Could have been because I was standing in the hitbox. And there's 1 star down. I'm also going to do the slide if I have enough time. Oh, I should have plenty of time to see the star. Oh, I can't jump up there. Okay. Okay, Boomer. Come on, hurry up. No, that takes 3, dang it. Let me see if I can raise Koopa the Quick and then in this same episode. Mind you, I can only make 12-minute episodes, so don't get your hopes up too much. Get out of my way. Oops. What the flip? I hope I'm gonna make it in time. Yeah. Yeah, look at Mario go. Well, I'm in. Now give me my star. Thanks, bud. Now then, if you want to know fun facts about me, I never had any of the newer consoles. What I did have was a Nintendo Wii. That was pretty much the newest home console I had. But growing up, I actually didn't have that much money, so getting stuff like that was hard for me because I never had that much money in the first place. The oldest system I ever had would be a Super Nintendo. I might die. How the heck did I make that? No. Flip! Oh my god, I just died. I made it and died. Get in the hole. No. All my videos are unedited, if you ever notice. If I say I'm gonna pause it, it's because my screen record option has the ability to pause. Oh my goodness, I can't even do that simple star. I don't even know how simple it is. Oh, I've already been up here. What's in this door? Oh, this is Dire Dot? am not good whatsoever in navigating underwater. Hey, what's down here? Give me help. I can't see what I'm doing. Well, that's going to be it for this episode, guys. If you want me to do more parts to this, please let me know. Bye!